Hi guys, Matt from 123myIT here. In this video, I will show you how to use Focus on the iPhone or iPad. Focus allows you to filter notifications based on what you are doing. You will find Focus in the control center by swiping down from the top right and then tapping on Focus. In here you will find the default focus, which is Do Not Disturb. Do Not Disturb silences all notifications by default. So if you're really busy and don't want to be interrupted, you could set this on your phone and it won't send you any notifications. You can also tap the three dots and just turn Do Not Disturb on for 1 hour or until this evening. Alright, if you close it there and go back out, I will show you where it displays that the Do Not Disturb is turned on. Okay, if you look at the top left hand corner, you should see the Do Not Disturb icon, which notifies you that the Do Not Disturb is actually turned on. Also, if you want to find the Focus menu, it is located under Settings and then Focus. Cool, okay, let's go back in and set up our own personalised focus. To set up your own focus, tap the plus icon down the bottom and then you will see a list of preset focuses. Up the top you have driving and fitness. Driving silences notifications but will turn on automatically when connected to CarPlay or Bluetooth. Also, if you have friends on iPhones, it will automatically send them a reply while you're driving, which is handy. Next up, you've got gaming, which is a good one too. So if you want to play games on your iPhone but don't want notifications interrupting the game, then you can turn this on before you start playing. And the last two down the bottom are mindfulness and reading. Let's go ahead and set up our own custom focus. I'm going to call mine Study because I want my phone to be quiet when I study. Next, you can select a colour and an icon. I can't find a book, so I'm just going to select the little library looking building icon. Tap Next. Now choose the people you want notifications from while you are studying or in your focus. It's worth mentioning that notifications from other people won't appear until you turn the focus off. That's for notifications, but what about phone calls? If we tap on Calls From, and then can choose Calls from Everybody, From No One, Favourites, or All Contacts. You can also allow repeated calls from the same person within 3 minutes. Tap Done up the top, and when you are finished, tap Allow. If you don't want to hear from anyone, tap Allow None. Next, you can select which apps you want to allow notifications from. So tap the plus and I'm going to select Find My, Books and Messages. Oh, and FaceTime as well, and Done up the top. You can also turn on time sensitive apps to send you notifications. Tap Allow. And your focus is set up, tap Done to continue. Okay, before we personalise the focus, I will just show you what it looks like when it's turned on. Okay, there it is at the top, so we can see that it's turned on now. Okay, to personalise your focus, under the Options menu you will have Focus Status. When Focus Status is turned on, apps like Messages will let people know that you have your focus turned on. If you want to hide notification badges, you can tap on Home Screen. And in Custom Pages, you can select which home screen page you want to show while you're in the focus. Under the Lock Screen menu, you can dim the lock screen in your focus, or you can show silence notifications there. Name and Appearance just edits the name and appearance for the focus that you've set up. One of the really cool features is Add Schedule or Automation. This allows you to choose to start your focus at a specific time in a specific location or when you launch an app. So let's say I want to turn on the study focus when I go to the library. I want to tap on Start Activation to turn it on, and then tap on Add Schedule or Automation. I want to tap on Location and then type in Library at the top. This will show you a complete list of libraries near you. If this doesn't come up, check under Settings, Privacy, Location Services and System Services. Cool, I found the library I am after. So what this will do is, whenever I go to the library, it will turn my study focus on automatically. You can use the little slider bar down the bottom to make the circle bigger or smaller. So let's say I want to go to a nearby cafe afterwards to do some more study. Really cool feature. So this would be useful if you had like a work or a school focus set up, or a church or a mosque or something like that. If you scroll down the bottom, you can also delete the focus if you no longer need it. Awesome, so our study focus is set up and it's ready to use. Guys, don't forget to check out my other videos such as how to find out your purchase history on iPhone and iPad. And do me a favour, if you know anyone who might like this video, please share it with them, hit the subscribe button and smash the bell icon.